Hello, this is Dove representing Team Espresso Delivery, and this is our final project. So this was our initial UI design for the project. We have three main buttons here on the main screen, and we're going to go through the customer list first. So here you can add a new customer by filling in these input boxes, being add customer, and it'll take you directly to that new customer's order. Or you can select one of these customers and hit the order button. And if you select the anonymous customer, it would register it as anonymous. So here is the drink menu that we made, where you can select a drink, and it would take you to a different screen that has all of these different categories split. This was, later on, you'll see this was probably the biggest thing that changed in the final project, just because WinForms doesn't support this very well. But here we can add the drink. It's got all of our customizations on it, and we can place the order. And since we're a customer, we can choose between these two. So there's going to be a drop-down menu where you choose either two. And so if I pay with my credit card, it will show the last four digits, and it shows this in the receipt. However, if I were to choose to pay with points, it would show the rewards points used and my remaining balance. Now let's go through the order drink. This is the anonymous user flow. It's pretty much the same things, but in here we cannot choose rewards points. We have to do credit card, and you'll see this in our final project. We just removed the option for rewards points entirely. Like, it doesn't even show up as like a grayed out option. It's just not even there if you're going through an anonymous flow. There's the payment screen, and then finally this was our management, where you would click on the sales report button, and then it would pop out a sales report in Excel. And here is our final project. We tried very hard to match the UI as specifically as we could. So these are the same exact icons and fonts and color schemes and everything. So let's go through the customer list. As you can see, this has changed a little bit. Main reason is that this grid system cannot be configured very well, and also we have it so that there is an order button per each customer now, and not just you select in and hit order. But we're actually going to add a new customer. So let's try Joseph Thomas. And you can see that the confirm button is grayed out, but as soon as I type in a phone number that is 10 digits, it'll pop this. We can hit confirm. And now if we go back to the customer list, we see that Joseph Thomas with 0 rewards points and his phone number is here. And if we tried to add, let's say he forgot that he was already a customer and he came in, if we try to add him with this, we will get an error saying that the phone number is already in use. So now we're going to select our new customer, and as you can see, we have condensed the customizations and the drink selection considerably. It's all on one screen now, where you select a latte and all of these will show up, or iced matcha. And so let's just select some customizations here, and you can see that they are in fact being added to the cart here, and the subtotal and tax are being reflected. Now if we place the order, if we try to pay with rewards points, it'll say that we don't have any rewards points because this is a new customer. And so let's type in our card number here. So if we try and type in a false cards number, it will say invalid card number. But if we put in a correct card number and we hit pay, we get our receipt that shows everything we ordered, and then it also shows the credit card with the last 4 digits. Now I'm going to select a customer like Jack Stevenson here, and I'm going to add some customizations to his drink, and then I'm going to pay with rewards points since he has a balance that can cover it. You will see here the rewards points being used are 70, and this is his remaining balance for his order. Now I'll go through the customer list once again, and I'll click on the anonymous customer. Now if we add our drinks yet again, we can see that the rewards points field is not here at all because it is marked as anonymous. And if we go back and we just go straight from the menu, go to order drink, and we also select a drink, you'll see that it's the same thing. And then when we type in our card again, it does pull up the successful receipt. I also want to demonstrate that our customer we added at the beginning, Joseph Thomas, has made a successful purchase, like I demonstrated before, and his rewards balance in the customer list reflect that. The very last thing is to show off the management screen. Here we have a button that will generate a sales report. And as you can see, all of the customers in the JSON file are loaded, and all of the order information, the date that they had, their balance currently, all of this has been updated into this Excel spreadsheet.